How to turn on auto update messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on auto update your Facebook messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your messenger, click on your profile up there, scroll down and click on turn on chat heads first, and now click on app update. Now you have the first option, which is auto update messenger. Click on it and turn on this option, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.